So, in this video I'll show you how to create a meta box for any post type in WordPress. If you haven't generated your plugin starter kit yet, you can do it following the link in the description. I've generated the plugin already and installed it on my local website. In the previous video I've created a custom post type, and now I'd like to add a meta box there. Sometimes we need to add some additional field for a page or post to store a particular data there. There is a title and an editor, but sometimes we need more fields. In this case, we can use meta boxes to store additional data. For example, a phone number, email, address, etc. We can find a meta box example in our starter kit. Simply go to WP Content, Plugins, name of your plugin, Includes, Admin, Classes. Here is the MetaBox main file and the custom post type file where we can register our MetaBoxes. So let's add a MetaBox for our custom post type. In this file you can find a custom post type registration function. Here is a slug of our custom post type. We will be using it in our MetaBoxes. If you scroll down, you will find a MetaBoxes area where you can register your own MetaBox. There are several examples that we can use on our website. Let's change the post type slug. We also can add several post types here. Here you can add any text you wish. Let's refresh the page and see what happens. Done! As you can see, here is a new field on the page. Let's try to enter a text and save the post. After you refresh the page, the text will be the same. To use this data on the front end, you should open the console and get the field name. Then we can get this data using getPostMeta function. Now, let's check the post type, because this meta box also should be there. Yes, it is. Works well. The most complex part in meta boxes is image saving. But here you can find an example of how to add an additional image to your post. Let's add an image meta box for our custom post type and see how it works. Go to our custom post type. As you can see, there is a new field for image adding. I'm going to add an image to see if it works. Update. Refresh the page. Works well. Now you can remove this image and upload a new one. Here are many meta boxes that you can use. Let's turn on all of them to see what happens. Now you can see lots of fields for data on our custom post type. An email, URL, text area, checkboxes, and radio buttons. As you can see, it's easy to add a meta box for any post type. Please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching the video.